All right, class. Today, the lesson is on solving linear inequalities, system inequality. And the key to this lesson is knowing how to sketch the graph. So here we have an example. Let's talk about it really quick. We have y is equal to 2x plus 5. And how do we sketch this line in the graph? Well, you're going to start off with your slope and your y-intercept. That's your starting point. So my slope is m is equal to 2. But because I'm using rise over run, I'm going to make it a fraction. And b is equal to 5. So let's do this now. So 5 on the y-axis, that's going to be right there. And then I'm going to go up to, right, that's my rise over run, up to over 1. 1, 2. I can't go any further right there. So let's go to reverse now. So initially I went up 2. And I went to the right 1. But now I need to go to reverse. So what I'm going to do now, is I'm going down 2 this time and left 1. That's reverse. So down 2, 1, 2, left 1, down 2, left 1. And one more, down 2, left 1. So that's my line right there. Now that's 100 dots. And for the other one now, y is equal to minus 3x minus 1. Again, n is equal to minus 3. I'm going to get a fraction, 1. And my b is negative 1. That's my starting point. So for this one now, for the slope, I'm going down 3. And to the right 1. So let's do that now. I'm starting at negative 1. I'm going down 3. 1, 2, 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. Right? Now I can't go to further. Let's go to reverse. In reverse, that means now I'm going to go up 3. All right, and to the left 1. So up 3. 1, 2, 3. 3, left 1. 1, 2, 3, left 1. I just collect my dots, and here we go. Good. So in this equation now, in this system, the solution is 1 point. That's what the line is going to say. See, this is 1 point. Here it asks, what's the difference between y equals 2x plus 5 and y greater than 2x plus 5? Well, the difference, let's sketch the line again. This line, and then we start 5, and then we went up 2 over 1. And went down 2, left 1, down 2, left 1, down 2. That's the same line we drew on the other side, on the first page. All right? So notice for this equation, all the solutions are on the line. Pick any point on the line. I can pick, let's see, I can pick negative 1, 2. Negative 1, 2. Let's see that is on the line. Let's prove that. This is my y, that's my x. Y is 2 is equal to 2 times x negative 1 plus 5. 2 times negative 1. Is that correct? 2, I'm sorry. This is negative 1. Negative 1, 3. I'm sorry, that's negative 1, 3. And then 2 times, so my y is 3. So 3 is equal to negative 2 plus 5. And that is 3 equals 3. That's correct. All right. So again, all the solution is on the line. Let's look at inequality now. The inequality just means that I'm going to have a region for the solution. Let's see. Is it going to be on this side or on this side? I don't know. Let's try 0, 0 and see if that point satisfies the solution. So we have 0, 0. Let's put it here. This is my x, that's my y. My y is 0, right? My x will be 2 times 0 plus 5. That equals to greater than. 0 is greater than. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 5 is 5. Is that a true statement? No, that is not a true statement. So this point is not in the solution area. Now let's pick another point. So it has to be on this side. And we can prove that by picking, say, let's pick this point right here, which is -5, 0. -5, comma 0. All right. So again, my y is 0 is greater than 2 times -5 plus 5. 0 is greater than 2 times -5 is -10 plus 5 is -5. That is a true statement. So my solutions are on this side. So any point you pick over here will satisfy this inequality. So that's the big difference. Good. Okay, let's review how to draw and find the solution to inequalities. Remember, when we draw an inequality, if it's a greater than or equal to, or less than equal to, we use a solid line. If it doesn't have an equal sign, we use a dashed line. Greater than just means that we shade above the line, and less than just means we shade below the line. So let's try an example. Here we have two inequalities. Two inequalities. So I'm going to draw the line and then shade the area and see where the regions overlap. That's going to be my solution area. All right. So first one, m is equal to 1 over 2. That's my slope, and my starting point is b is equal to -3. All right, let's go with -3. So my starting point is -3 right here. I'm sorry, -3 is down here. Good. And then I'm going to go up 1 to the right 2. 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 Good. And I can go reverse now. All right, I can go reverse. I can go down 1 and to the left 2. So I can go down 1, left 2, down 1, left 2. Get the picture? And so let's connect my my points. Now this doesn't have an equal sign, so therefore it's going to be a dashed line. So I'm going to use a dashed line to connect these points together. Good. And where do I shade now? Well, it's greater than, so I'm going to shade above the line. And so I'm going to shade, let's see, above the line, highlighter. Okay, so if I shade above the line, everything above the line, I'm going to shade. So all these points, all this area is the solution for the first equation. Let's do the second line now. Now I'm going to have m is equal to -32. That means I'm going down 3, right, and to the right 2. That's what it means. And my starting point B is 5. Let's find 5. That's right. Oh, different color. Let's go with blue. Right. So down 3. 1, 2, 3 over 2. 1, 2. Down 3. 1, 2, 3 over 2. 1, 2. Down 3. 1, 2, 3 over 2. Good. So let's connect the dots now. Now this inequality has an equal sign. So therefore, I will have a solid line. And I am going to shade below the line now, because it's less than or equal. It's less than, so I'm going to shade below the line. And so I'm going to get highlighter. Let's go with blue, yellow, and blue. Okay. So let's shade below the line now. Below the line is everything here. Below the line. Now, where the shaded area overlaps, where they overlap, right? That's going to be my solution area. And you can see now the green area, that's where they overlap. Alright, so everything in the green area is my solution area. Good. So the question asks you now, they give you 4 points. I want to know which point is in the solution area, which is the green area. So I gotta just look at, I need my pen. So 4, 2. Where's 4, 2 gonna put me? Well, 4, 2 is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4 is right here, and 2. That is not, let me use a red. That is not in the solution area, so 4 is not. Oh wait, negative 2, negative 6. Negative 2 is right here, down 6 is right here. That is not in the solution area, in the green area, so that's not. Oh wait, 2, negative 1. 2, negative 1 is right here. Yes, that is in the green area, in the overlap area, so yes, that is. Oh wait, 6, 0. 6, 0 is right here. No, it's not in the shaded area, so this is not. Good. Okay, let's try. Okay, let's try number 2. Number 2 now, if you look at number 2, I've got to solve for y here. So I'm just going to minus 2x on both sides, minus 2x, minus 2x. And that's going to give me now y is greater than or equal to minus 2x plus 4. Good? So that's my new equation. And so for the first one now, m is 1/3. So m is equal to 1/3. That means I'm going up and then write 3, and my starting point is 2. So 2 is right there. I'm going to go up 1, 3, then write 3. Up 1, 1, 2, 3. Up 1, 1, 2, 3. And if I want to go reverse now, I'm going to go down 1, left 3. Down 1, 1, 2, 3. Down 1, 1, 2, 3. Good? And so let's connect the dots now. It's a less than, so I'm going to have a dash line, dash line. Good. And so I'm going to shade everything below the line. I'm going to shade everything below the line. Okay. All right. So there you go. That's the other line now. Okay, my slope for the second equation is m is going to equal to minus 2, but I'm putting it over 1 to make a fraction, and b is 4. So my starting point now is going to be 4. That's right there. And this time now, I'm going down 2 and to the right 1. 1, 2 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 to the right 1. Right? Or I can go in reverse. I can go up 2, left 1. 1, 2, left 1. Okay? Now this is an equal sign, so I will have a solid line. And I connect my dots. Good. Now, again, I'm going to be shading above the line. I'll be shading above the line, so here we go. Shade above the line. So let's go yellow. So above the line is going to be everything above the line I'm shading. And so where the shaded area overlaps, that's going to be my solution area, where they overlap. And you can see, right, the overlap area is the green area. And so it asks you which point now is in the solution area. Well, let's see. 0, 4. Where is 0, 4 going to be? Well, 0, 4 is going to be right here. That's 2, 3, 4. let's do a different color. Let's go with, let's go green. 0, 4, that's right here. That's not in the shaded, in the overlap shaded area, so that's not it. Negative 4, negative 4, comma 3, negative 4, and up 3 is 1, 2. That is not in the shaded area, so that's not it. 6, comma 4, 6, and I go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the interesting thing is this. It's on that border, the line, because the line is a dashed line, we're not going to take it. So it's not in the solution area, because it falls on a dashed line. 2, comma 0. 2, comma 0 is right here. It is, this one is also on the line, but because the line is a solid line, we'll take it. Yes, that is in the solution area. All right, and then let's see. Let's do, I want to do number 4, right? But for number 4, I want to go over number 3 real quick. Okay, so in number 3, we have y equals negative 3. So that, if you remember, that's just a line that goes to the y-axis at negative 3. Right, so here's negative 3 right here on the y-axis. And so it's going to be a solid line, right? It's going to be a solid line that looks like this. Y equals negative 3. And because it's greater than or equal to, I'm going to shade above the line. I'm going to shade above the line, highlighter. Right? Everything above the line, I'm going to shade. Good. All right. The next one is, okay, here I got to solve for y. You notice I have a y plus 5. So I'm going to minus 5 on both sides. And then that can give me y is less than minus 3 over 4x minus 5. So for that second equation now, my starting point is going to be minus 5. And then I'm going for my slope now, I'm going to go down 3 and to the right 4. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, to the right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But I can't go further. I can't go down further. So I'm going to go in reverse now. So I'm going to go up 3 and to the left 4. So up 3. 1, 2, 3, left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, up 3, 1, 2, 3, left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now, this is a less than, so when I cut my dots, I'm going to use a dashed line, cut dots. Good. And what am I going to shade now? It's less than, so I'm going to shade below the line. I'm going to shade below the line. Okay, so below the line now is going to be everything here below the line. Now you start to see my overlap region, right? It's that little piece of green area. So let's see now which one of these points are in that overlap area. 2, 5. Well, 2, 5 is right there. That's not what I'm looking for. So that's not going to work. Negative 4, negative 2. Negative 4 is right here down 2. That's right here on the dashed line. Again, it's on the dashed line, so I'm not going to take it. Okay, negative 7, negative 2. Negative 7, negative 2 is right here. Hey, yes, that's good. That's in that green area. And negative 8, 1, -8 positive 1 is right here. No, that's not going to be. All right. So the only one is. All right. Last one I want to get to is we have 3 graphs, 3 equations now. So we can find where all 3 areas overlap. Okay, let's go to the first one. Again, I'm going to solve for y. So I'm going to add 3 to both sides. When I do that, I get y is less than or equal to -5x plus 3. I just add 5. I had 3 to both sides. For this one too, I've got to add plus 2x on both sides. All right. I had plus 2x on both sides, so that's going to give me now y is less than, right, 2x plus 1. All right, let's do the first equation now. So m is -5 over 1. Everybody see that, right? I just made a fraction. My starting point is 3. Let's go do that. That's my starting point. So I'm going to go down 5 over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. Down 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. All right. I made a mistake. Let's see again. Down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's good. All right, let's connect my dots now. So this is a less than or equal to, so I'm going to use a solid line. Okay. Ooh, that's a dashed line. Let's go back. That is a dashed line. I need a solid line. Here we go. Right there. And I'm shading now below the line. So let's go with, again, let's go with yellow. I'm going to shade below the line here. Everything here I'm going to shade below the line. Good. All right. So the first line is down. Now y is greater than -5. So remember now, this is just a line through the y-axis at -5. And it's a greater than, so I'm going to use a dashed line. So this line, -5, is right here. This line. And I'm shading above the line. See, let's go with a different color. Let's go with blue. All right. Is that blue? Or looks like blue to me. All right, so above the line, everything above this line I'm shading. Okay. Everything above the line. But I'm not done yet now. I have one more line to go. And so this one now, let's see, m, my m is going to be, m is equal to 2 over 1. And my starting point is b is equal to 1. Let's find that out. b is equal to 1. Which is going to be 1 is right here. And then I'm going to go up 2 to the right 1, right? Up 2. 1, 2 to the right 1. 1, 2 to the right 1. I want to go in reverse now. So therefore, I'm going to go down 2, left 1. Okay? So back to my starting point, down 2. 1, 2, left 1. Down 2, left 1. Do it one more time. Down 2, left 1. And let's cut my dots now. Now this is a dashed line. So I'm going to use a dashed line to connect. And I am shading what area now? I'm shading below the line. So let's go. Let's find a color now, a different color. I'm going to shade. Let's go with this color right here. All right, shade below the line. Okay. So below the line, it's going to be everything here. Uh-oh. Everything below this line right here, shading. This is kind of crazy, huh? All right, so we got to figure out now, where is my, actually I've done it one time. So if you notice now, the overlap region, right, is just this right here. What color have I not used yet? Yellow, let's go, I'm using this right here. The overlap region now is right here in this triangle here. That's the overlap region for all three. Okay? And so let's see what we have now. 3, 0, is that in the area? 3, 0 is 1. No, that's not what I'm looking for. How about 2, 5? 2, 5 is right here. No. How about 1, -2? So that's not good. That's not. What 1, -2? Okay, 1, -2 is on the line. That's right, on the line. No, not going to take that one either. How about 0, -1? 0, hey, that's right here. Yep, that's in the shaded area. How about -4, 4? -4, -4, up 4, no. That's not going to work.
Good morning,
How about 3,
Let's take a moment to
3?
spend and think about our day, our activities, and what we hope to accomplish. Our pledges will follow.
No, that's not going to work, no. How about 4, 5? 4, down 5. Nope, that's not going to work either. How about -2, -3? -2, -3.
Please stand for our pledges. I pledge
that
allegiance
is
to the flag
also
of the
on the
United
line.
States of America
No.
and to the
And
republic
0,
for which it stands,
-4.
one nation,
Yes.
under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for
Okay,
all.
so that's how you do this.
Under the British flag, our pledge
Hopefully this
allegiance
was
to
helpful.
Texas, one state under God, one indivisible,